Recently, there has been an increase in the number of people making money on YouTube through creating high CPM niche channels. This has come about due to the slowing down of the economy, and people are looking for more creative and unique ways to make money. Today I'm going to show you the highly profitable YouTube cash cow channels to inspire you to start your own niche YouTube channel and make money. Hey guys, welcome to the Side Hustle Pursuit channel, where we talk about different ways to replace your 9 to 5. It could be affiliate marketing, dropshipping, print on demand, and much more. Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you're updated daily. Now on to the video. So before I show you the successful YouTube cash cow niche channels, let us first define a cash cow channel. A cash cow channel is made up of people, mostly faceless YouTube channel concepts, who create videos about a specific topic and sell advertising space in their videos. The purpose of the advertisers showing ads in the videos is to engage a specific target audience so that they can sell their courses, training programs, or even specific products. That can do incredibly well financially and is able to produce high revenues for both the advertisers and the YouTube channel itself. As you get onto each video in the channel, it shows ads that are similar to the niche of that video. If you reach 1,000 views per video, the advertisers for that ad will pay you. And that marketing term is called CPM, or cost per mille, the Latin word for thousand, which refers to the cost of an advertiser pays per online 1,000 advertisement impressions on a YouTube video. One of the most important things you do when you start the channel is to pick the right niche. So right now I'm going to run down 3 successful high CPM YouTube cash cow niches channels, how much money they earn, and how much money they can get per 1,000 views. First, we have the Sell This Now channel. This channel is about dropshipping videos and it makes a lot of revenue per mil or RPM. This channel creates a video for a product that people can sell with dropshipping. It's a no-face video YouTube channel and uses stock videos on the left side and a little information about the product on the right side. According to Social Blade, the total video views of this channel are about 96k video views per month, and the estimated earnings per month are about $24 to $385. The CPM for this channel is about $50 per 1,000 views. Now, despite what you may see, numbers can sway, and that's because Social Blade gives you a guesstimate. Second, we have the Alex.com channel. This channel is a business-related niche and talks about what it means to live an elegant, beautiful, and successful life while discussing their own take on luxury. The video itself is comprised of stock videos, background music, and voiceovers. By the way, if you want to have a video like this, you can download free stock videos from Pexels and Pixelbay. Adding free background music is a good idea to make your video more entertaining and can attract more viewers. You can download free background music in your own YouTube Studio audio library to prevent copyright issues. According to Social Blade, the total video views of this channel are about 6 million video views per month, and the estimated earnings per month are about $1.6 thousand to $26,000. The CPM for this kind of channel is about $20 or more per 1,000 views. This type of channel gives you a great overview of what your channel can be modeled like in terms of branding and color. We highly recommend you look through the various videos in this channel for inspiration. Lastly, we have the Top Wealth Secrets channel. If you're into making money online through videos, this type of niche is perfect for you. This channel gives you information about how to earn money online in various ways. The Make Money Online niche is one of the most popular in terms of earning more with CPMs. At glance, you'll notice the thumbnails are super colorful with exciting topics varying with how to earn. Again, you've got stock videos, background music, and voiceovers. This channel is making around $10 to $15 per 1,000 views. According to Social Blade, the total video views of this channel are about 16,000 video views per month, and the estimated earnings per month are about $4 to $66. Again, when looking at Social Blade, there can be a variation in how much a channel actually makes, so don't base everything on Social Blade. Monetizing your YouTube videos can be a lucrative business. However, it's important to have a niche that is right for your videos and content. Make sure you're targeting the right audience and advertising the right way to make the most of your high CPM efforts. If you're interested in learning more about CPMs, visit our description box for more videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.